Welcome back. In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to use Tinkercad on a Chromebook. Since Tinkercad is a web-based application, you don't need to install any special software. As long as your Chromebook has an internet connection and a supported browser, you can start designing in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, turn on your Chromebook and connect it to the internet. Then open the Google Chrome browser, which comes pre-installed on most Chromebooks. In the address bar, go to the Tinkercad website and sign in with your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Tinkercad dashboard. Click Create New Design ** to open the 3D Design workspace. Wait a few moments for the editor to load completely. Now you can begin creating your project. Use the Shapes panel on the right to drag objects onto the workplane. Click any object to resize, rotate, move, or customize it using the available handles and tools. You can zoom in and out with your touchpad or mouse and change the camera view to work more comfortably. As you build your design, Tinkercad automatically saves your progress online. There's no need to manually save your work. If you're using a touchscreen Chromebook, you can also interact with the workspace using touch gestures, although a mouse or touchpad usually provides more precise control for 3D modeling. When your design is finished, click the *export * button to download it as an STL, OBJ, or another supported file format if you plan to 3D print or use the model in other software. For the best experience, keep your Chrome browser updated and close unnecessary tabs if your Chromebook starts running slowly. A stable internet connection will also help Tinkercad perform smoothly. And that's how to use Tinkercad on a Chromebook. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Tinkercad tutorials. See you in the next video.